lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a super exciting video for you guys. I am unboxing my Ulta package that I ordered after Christmas with all of the gift cards that I got from my family. So let's get going. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna grab is this bag that I got, and if you spent $60, I think, you got this bag for free, and it came with a bunch of free stuff in it. Okay, are you guys ready for the good stuff? So this is the first thing I got. My best friend has this, and she sprays it on my face all the time, just randomly. So I was like, you know what, I might as well get one of my own. It's a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, and I can't say this name, and I'm not going to try to pronounce it because I'll butcher it, and but I'm sure y'all are familiar with this. I got me a new beauty blender because mine is super old and I needed a new one. I got some eyelashes. So instead of my cheap other ones, I got these ones. I was told that these are very good by my friend Sadie, which you guys should check out her Instagram. She's amazing at makeup, and I will put her link in the description, but just make sure you go check her out. Then I got the new Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I heard a lot of good things about this, and I have the Better Than Sex mascara, so I thought I might as well try it since I love the Better Than Sex mascara. So I got a Morphe palette. This is the first Morphe palette that I've had, so I'm very excited about it. I'm so excited. You guys. I am so excited. I just died. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's fallen to frost. The last thing that I got, I'm super excited about, but super nervous about, and was on the edge about getting. But I thought, hey, I got the NYX Professional, the Liquid Suede Cream Vault. There's 30 in here. There are 30 liquid lipsticks in here. And some of them are really like out there and not something I'm used to. But you know, that's what I want to do on this channel. I want to step out of my comfort zone and do whatever the heck I want to do. This is what they look like. So we're going to be doing a lot of experimenting with those. Also, let me know if you want me to do a video of me just swatching them. Look at that. I'm so excited. You guys, this is very exciting for me. Alright, well, I am done with my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.